children, welcome to the online class. Today again I am recall that one about SMS. Maintain social distance, use mask and wash your hands with sanitizer per day 3 or 4 times. Okay ma'am? Now in previous session what we did for terminating and non-terminating decimals, we changed into P by Q form. Okay. In terminating is easy. For example, 2.3 is there. 2.3. How can you write 23 by 10? You will write no. So if it is there any cancellation is possible, you can do it. Otherwise, 23 by 10 is the P by Q form. That in place of 2.2 bar, that is non-terminating decimal. Non-terminating decimal, how can we take? Let x is equal to 2.2222 so on, call it as equation 1, and the periodicity you will take according to the periodicity you have to multiply the equation 1 by 10 or 100 on both sides. Like that you will simplify and again you will subtract equation 1 from equation 2, then you will get a P by Q form. Okay, like that we will do the non-terminating decimal. Okay, now exercise 1.3 already we started. Now some sums also are given for homework. Now in exercise 3, sixth one we will see. Exercise 3, sixth sum. In sixth sum, see, open your textbooks, page number 32. Question I will read. You have to see from your textbook. I will write a solution on the board. Now 2 pieces of the length 2 3 by 5 meters and 3 3 by 10 meters are cut from a rope of 11 meters long. What is the length of the remaining rope? That is, total length of the rope is given. In that rope, two pieces are cutted. Okay, some length of the rope will be left. That how much length of the rope left, that we have to find. So, first step, what is given, that we have to write first. Total length of the rope. Total length of the rope. Total length of the rope, how much is given? 11 meters. The length of the two pieces. The length of two pieces. How much are given now? 3 by 5 meters and 3 by 10 meters. 3 by 10 meters. This is the length of two pieces. Now, sum of the length of two pieces. Sum of the length of two pieces. Sum means add. You have to add the two length of the two pieces. That is 2 by 5 plus 3 by 10. 2 by 5 plus 3 by 10. That is, this is a mixed fraction, change into improper fraction first. Now 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 2, 12. 12 by 5 plus 3 10s are 30, 30 plus 3, 33 by 10. Now, for 5 and 10 you have to take the LCM. For 5 and 10, what is the LCM? 10 is the LCM. In 5 table 1 time, 10 table 2 times. 2 5s are 10. Now, in 5 table 10 will come 2 times. 2 into here, how many times? In 5 table 10 will come 2 times. 2 into 12. Yes. In 10 table 10 will come 1 time. 1 into 33. That equal to 2 12s are 24 plus 133s are 33 by 10. By 10. Understood? 5 table 10 will come. Acha, this is 3 by 5, not 2 by 5. This is 3 by 5. So, here 5 2s are 10 plus 3, 13. Okay, here 13 will come. 13. Now, this numerator become 13. 13. Okay. Now, 13 2s are 26. 13 2s are 26. 26 plus 33. How much will get now? 59 by 10. Okay. 59 by 10. 59 by 10 is a improper fraction. Okay. Now keep like that only, no problem. This is what sum of the length of two pieces. Now we want only remaining length of the piece. So what is the remaining length of the piece? That you have to get means the remaining length of the piece, length of the row, otherwise row is equal to total length of the row minus sum of the two length of the pieces we have to subtract. Total will be 11 meters minus sum of two will be 59 by 10. Understood? Here denominator is not there, means 1 will be the denominator. Now take the LCM. 10 is the LCM. Okay. So 10 into 11. 10 into 11 plus 10 divided by 10 how much ma'am? 10 divided by 10 is, here how you are getting 10 into 11, understood? Here there is no denominator, means 1 is the denominator. In one table how many times 10 will come? 10 times. 10 into numerator is 11 minus 10 divided by 10, 1. 1 into 59, 59. Now 10 11s are 110 minus 59 by 10, that equal to 110 minus 59. 10 here 0 means here 10. 10 minus 9, 1. Here again 10. 10 minus 5, 5. Here 0. So 51 by 10 meters. This 51 you can change into mixed fraction, that is 5 1 by 10. 5 1 by 10 meters is the remaining length of the row. Therefore, the remaining length of the row, how much ma'am? 5 1 by 10 meters. This is the answer. The remaining length of the row will be how much? 5 1 by 10 meters. Okay. Now 7th one. The cost of 7 2 by 3 meters of cloth is 12 3 by 4 rupees. That is, then find the cost of 1 meter cloth. Okay. Now I hope this you are understood. Now 7th sum. Total length of the cloth is given and total cost of the cloth also given. We have to find the cost of 1 meter. So what is the total length of the total length of the cloth? What is the total length of the cloth is given? 7 2 by 3 meters. 7 2 by 3 meters. Then cost, total cost is equal to rupees 12 3 by 4. Rupees 12 3 by 4. Then we have to find 1 meter cost. Okay. See how you will find. For example, you purchased 4 meters cloth for 80 rupees you purchased. Okay, this is rupees. 4 meters cloth you purchased for 80 rupees. But I want 1 meter, the cost of 1 meter cloth. How will you find? Here 1 meter you will write. No. So 1 meter cloth cost you have to find, that you don't know X. So what you will do, ma'am? You will do the cross multiplication and you will divide the 80 by 4 meters. Same process we have to do here also. See, here you have to take length. Here you have to take cost. Now what is the length? Total length 7 2 by 3 meters. Then what is the total cost? 12, 3 by 4. This is the length, this is the cost. Okay. Now, this is what? A unitary method. What you learn in 7th class, that method only we are doing. Now, here I want 1 meter cloth. The cost, I don't know. So, that's why I am taking x. Now, do cross multiplication. Then what you will get? X into this. X into 7 2 by 3 is equal to 1 into 12 3 by 4. Now, x into 7 2 by 3 is a what? Improper. Mixed fraction change into improper now. 7 3s are 21 plus 2. 7 3s are 21 plus 2 how much? 23 by 3 is equal to 12 4s are 48. 48 plus 3 51 by 4. Now understood or not? Now this is what x into. Now we want x value. So it implies x is equal to 51 by 4. When this multiplication will go outside, it becomes change into division. It is in multiplication, no? This is 23 by 3. When the 23 by 3 will go outside, it becomes change into division. 23 by 3. Understood? Now, 51 by 4, this division will be changed into again multiplication. We have to change, we have to take the reciprocal of the second fraction. That is this one. Reciprocal means interchanging of numerator and denominator. 23 by 3 is there. What is the reciprocal of that? 3 by 23. 3 by 23. This one we got. Now see, is there any cancellation is possible? 51 and 23, no common table. For 3 and 4, no common table. Okay, so what we will do? We will multiply the numerator in numerator and denominator. Then what you will get? 51 3s are 1 3s are 3, 1 5s are 15 by 4 3s are 12, 1 4 2s are 8, 1 9, 92. Okay, 153 by 92 we got. Then you have to change into mixed fraction. Divide it. 153. Now 92 ones are 92. 3 minus 2 1. Here 15 minus 6 9 6. In 92 table 61 will not come, no. Put 0 here, put point 0. Here point. Now in 92 6 10 how many times? I want to take by 6. 6 2s are 12, 1, 6 9s are 54, 155. Okay, if you take 7 3s are 63. 63 is more, no? Here only 61 means 610 only. So this is enough. So 92 6 are 552. Now 10 minus 2 8. Here 10 again. 10 minus 5 5. Here 5 minus 5 0. Again put 0. Why? Because he is asking rupees. So rupees as well as paisa also we have to take. So in paisa means 2 digits compulsory we should get. So now 580 we got. Again 580 means again 552 only will come. So how many times again? 6. So 552. Now 10 minus 2, how much? 10 minus 2 is 8. Now here 7 minus 5, 2. Okay. Suppose third decimal if you take 280, the 280 means how much you will get? 2 times. That is your 2 will get. 2 will be less than 5. So no need to add to the previous number. So you will get 1.66. That is 1 rupee 66 paisa. How much, ma? Rupees 1.66. That is 1 rupee 66 paisa. So what is this? This is the cost of 1 meter cloth. Therefore, the cost of 1 meter cloth is equal to how much? Rupees 1.66. That is 1 rupee 66 paisa. Now understood, children? Okay. Now 8th one. Find the area of the rectangular part which is 18 3 by 5 meters long and 8 2 by 3 meters broad. So what you have to find? Area of the rectangle. So what is the formula for area of a rectangle? What is the formula for area of a rectangle? L into B. Yes. Already you learned that area of a square, perimeter of a square, perimeter of a rectangle, area of a rectangle in 7th class. In areas part, areas topic we learn. That only we have to use. Now, what is given now? Long is nothing but length. So, 8th one, length of the rectangular part. Rectangular part. How much is given length? Length is 18 3 by 5 meters. Then breadth is nothing but broad. Length is equal to length given. Now breadth. Breadth of the rectangular part is equal to how much? 8 2 by 3. 8 2 by 3 meters. Then what you have to find? Area of the rectangle. Therefore, area of the rectangular part. Rectangular part is equal to what you will get? Length into breadth. Length into breadth. Now, 18 3 by 5 into 8 2 by 3. Now, this is a mixed fraction changing to improper. 18 5s are. How much 18 5s are? 90. 18 5s are 90. 18 5s are 90 plus 3. 93 by 5 into 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 2. 26 by 3. Now, is there any cancellation is possible? Yes, no, this is cancel, no? 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Again, is there any cancellation? No. So, multiply this and this by this. Then what you will get? 31 into 26 by 5 into 1. That equal to 31 into 26. In rough column we will do. 1 6 are 6, 1 2s are 2, 3 6 are 18, 3 2s are 6, 1 7. 6, 8 plus 2, 10, 1 carry 8. So, 8 not 6. Here we write 8 not 6 by 5 ones are 5. So, it is a improper fraction change into mixed fraction. So, by 5 you have to divide 8 not 6. 5 ones are 5. 8 minus 5, 3. 0 carry down, 30. 5 6 are 30. Now 6 carry down. 6 ones are 6. 5 ones are 5. 1. So, what you will get now? 161 1 by 5 meter square. This is the area of a rectangle. Okay, therefore, area of a rectangular part. Area of a rectangular part is equal to how much we got? 161 1 by 5 meter. Now, what the area of the rectangular part we got, ma? Length and breadth we multiplied. How much we got? 806 by 5. That is a improper fraction. We changed it into mixed fraction. So we got 161 1 by 5 meter square. This is the total area of that. Now, understood? I hope you will be understood. What will be the main concept here? Formula you should learn. Area of a rectangle. Okay, ma? L into B. Now, homework. Now, page number same 32. Homework. Page number 32. Exercise 1.3. Exercise 1.3. Already we did up to 8. So, 9, 10 and 11. Exercise 1.3, 9 to 11 means 3 sums, 9, 10, 11. That are also very easy. Okay, so 9 to 11 sums are homework. By this we can successfully completed our first chapter. Next session we will move to the second chapter. Okay my children, thank you, have a nice day.